Hi, my name is Amber Bringier with Simply Home. Thank you for allowing me just a minute of your time to introduce this wonderful listing of mine at 2923 Leatherwood Drive in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This is a warm deal for those cold nights we're having now. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, lots of upgrades, including a screened-in covered porch and one of the largest lots in this subdivision of Three Rivers with a maintenance-free fence. Thank you so much for allowing me a minute of your time to show you this amazing home. Come, take a look. You will love this open floor plan. The nights are getting chilly, so this covered screened-in porch offers a TV, so bring your fire pit and enjoy a cozy warm night out on your new patio. So we're almost at the end of the video, and I wanted to show you another great feature about this home. It is the large fenced-in backyard, but that's not only it. The seller has installed an irrigation system as well in the backyard. This community offers a neighborhood pool, lots of amenities, close to everything that Murfreesboro has to offer. I want to say thank you so much for making it this far. My name is Amber Bringier with Simply Home. And if you don't have an agent, I would be honored to show you this property today. But if you do have an agent that you know, like, and trust, call them today and tell them 2923 Leatherwood Drive in Murfreesboro, Tennessee is the home you want to see today. Thank you again, and make it a great day.